this. Beautiful Bonsmara cattle here at Wild Farm in Wilderness, Africa. So we just brought them to the kraal. We're gonna spray them now for the ticks and all of the things. Look at that big boy at the back there.